Good day everybody. I saw this question on the social media where the author is utilizing some formula and giving the output and says that is the result. But apparently this particular question can easily be solved in a straightforward fashion. So we are expected to integrate this. What I wish to do is I would like to first take this as let I be equal to this quantity. Now there is an integral property which I would be utilizing, which is integral a to b f of x times the dx is equal to integral a to b f of a positive b negative x times dx. So by utilizing this property over here, I can now very well rewrite the given quantity as, in place of x I would be utilizing 2 plus 4 negative x. This is the quantity will go which would be utilized wherever you see x. So this is equal to integral 2 to 4 root of 2 positive 4 negative x over root of 6 negative. In place of x it's going to be 2 positive 4 negative x positive root of 2 positive 4 negative x times dx. Okay. So on the left you got I. Now this can be rewritten as integral 2 to 4 root of 2 positive 4 is 6 negative x, and this is going to be root of 6 negative 6 positive x followed by positive root of 6 negative x. You got a dx. So this is equal to integral 2 to 4 root of 6 negative x over 6 and 6 gets cancelled. You got a root x positive root of 6 negative x times dx. So you got an I there. Now what I wish to do, if I were to take this as say sum 2 and take this as sum 3, I have to add this. Say this is going to be 1. I'm going to add 1 along with this 1 with 3. 1 with 3. Let me write that. 1 with 3. So I'm taking the initial given question, which is 1, and then I'm adding to the outcome which you see here. Okay, I hope I'm making it clear. So this is the equation which would be added with this, right? Because this is nothing but the simplified form of this, right? So there's no point in adding 2. In fact, this is what I was talking to you about. This is nothing but the simplification form of this one. So having mentioned that, if I were to add 1 with 3, this is going to give me 2i on the left, and let me write this down, root of x over root of 6 negative x positive x root x. So that's going to be root of x over root of 6 negative x positive root of x times dx added with this one, limits 2 to 4, 2 to 4. This is going to be root of 6 negative x over x root x positive root of 6 negative x times dx. The denominator is same. You see that this is going to be equal to, so take the denominator to be common. So it's going to be root of x positive root of 6 negative x, and over here you get root of x positive root of 6 negative x times dx. Limits are 2 to 4. Now what you got in the numerator? Root of x positive root of 6 negative x. What you got in the denominator? Root of x positive root of 6 negative x. So both the things can be cancelled, giving you integral 2 to 4 dx. Now what is integral of dx? That's going to be x. The limits are 2 to 4. So you substitute the upper limit minus the lower limit, you get 2. But apparently on the left hand side you got 2i. So 2i is equal to 2 units. So therefore I is equal to 2 over 2, which is nothing but 1 unit. So 1 unit will be the answer. So this is the answer without the deduction, or I should say without the presence of this step. So this will be the final solution for this question.